Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a modern browser with the Web Speech API and a page served over HTTPS. Next, create a speech synthesis utterance and set its text property to your string. This is where you control phrasing. Once done, pick language and voice from speech synthesis. Get voices, and set pitch, rate, and volume so output sounds natural. Make sure to start speech in response to a user gesture to avoid autoplay blockers. This first step gets audio flowing immediately. Now implement the core. Load and select a voice reliably by listening for the voice changed event, because get voices can be empty at load. Then construct your utterance, attach wand and owner handlers to manage UI state, and use onBoundary to highlight text as it speaks. Use speech synthesis. Speak to cue and expose cancel, pause, and resume for user control. This gives you smooth control and feedback and ensures you can handle multiple utterances without glitches. Finish by polishing UX. Provide controls for rate, pitch, voice, and volume, and visually indicate speaking state. Once done, test across browsers and platforms. If web speech is unavailable, fall back to a server-rendered TTS audio file. If playback fails, confirm secure context, HTTPS, user gesture requirements, and inspect owner logs for voice load issues. A key troubleshooting tip: if voices list is empty, recall get voices after voice changed and retry selection. That resolves most silent out.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.